Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, February 29th, and this is my analysis of gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold, I still actually think this is a 1, 2, 3, and I think this move down is just a correction within that wave 3. My target on gold is actually all the way up to about the $2,500 area, which is about where wave 3, if it really is a wave 3, should actually go, which is right around the 161.8 Fibonacci extension of wave 1 projected out the bottom of wave 2. So taking it down to the weekly time frame, I still think this right here is an uptrend, most likely a wave 1. I still think this is a correction, most likely a wave 2. I think that we're already in a wave 3, and this is just a subdivision of that wave 3. And I think that for the most part, it is going to continue to make higher highs, higher lows. I think this is just like a 1 of 3, a 2 of 3, and we're probably going to keep on going up for wave 3 of wave 3. Like I said, just a subdivision of the bigger wave 3. Going down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, I mean, it definitely looks like we may have a complete pattern right here. I mean, it looks like 1, 2, 3 ways down, 1, 2, 3 ways up. It still looks to me like 1, 2, 3 ways down with like a double zigzag for the wave B of wave Y, which definitely does make it look a little odd. We definitely turned right at the 100% Fibonacci extension is basically where a wave Y should end. I mean, it does look like on the sort of time frames we are going down, but I think that move down is very likely just to be a correction, probably just like a 1, a 2, and eventually go up for that wave 3. So taking it down even more to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, like I said, we are definitely trying to make some lower highs. To me, this right here is definitely a trend, probably ending right here. Now, maybe we are going to go down, take out the low right here. I got my Fibonacci retracement out here. So even if it does go down, I mean, it could possibly go down, take out this low all the way down to the 50% before it continues the uptrend. But even if it does go down, I definitely am primarily looking for longs in an uptrend. And I honestly wouldn't even be surprised if this move down right here actually made a higher low and actually just ended up continuing up. So the trend is definitely up on the higher time frames. The question is, how big of a correction is it going to make? Is it going to go down, make like a 50% correction and then go up? Or is it just going to make a higher low and just keep on trending up? Either way, I will definitely participate when it does give me the opportunity to go long. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I still think it looks like a double zigzag. I think it looks like ABC and then X and then ABC, basically a double zigzag. Now, it definitely did make impulsive up, and I'm actually calling this right here more likely an A, and this is more likely a B. Now, like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, it could possibly go all the way down to the 50%, so definitely keep that in mind. But I think there's a chance this move down could be a wave C. So if it does make a higher low, and then turn up, then I would definitely take it as a long. But if you do trade like the 1 hour time frame and below, you should probably actually be looking for shorts because, like I said, it possibly could continue all the way down to that 50%. But if you get like that 3, 4, 5 safe, if you get a break of structure, if you get a higher low, then I personally would definitely take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend. Until the higher time frames tell me this thing is going down, I am definitely primarily looking for longs in an uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.